Welcome. Today we will explore the concept of a hemisphere. As the name suggests, it is exactly half of a sphere. We will look at its definition, properties, and the mathematical formulas used to measure it. To understand a hemisphere, we first recall what a sphere is. A sphere is a perfectly round three-dimensional object, like a ball. Every point on its surface is the same distance from its center. A vital concept here is the great circle. This is the largest possible circle that can be drawn on a sphere. It must pass directly through the sphere's center, effectively slicing the sphere into two equal parts. Imagine cutting a spherical fruit straight down the middle. When you cut along the great circle, the sphere separates into two identical halves. Each of these halves is what we call a hemisphere. The word hemisphere comes from hemi, meaning half. So, a hemisphere is simply half of a sphere. It has a unique shape compared to the full sphere because it now has a flat bottom. A hemisphere has two distinct faces. First, the curved surface, which is the dome shape. Second, the flat face at the bottom, which is a perfect circle. This flat base is important when calculating total area. Let's look at the formulas. The curved surface area, or CSA, is the area of just the outer dome. Since a full sphere is 4 pi r squared, the curved area of a hemisphere is exactly half of that, which is 2 pi r squared. However, if the hemisphere is a solid object, we must also measure the flat circular base. The area of that circle is pi r squared. Adding this to the curved area gives us the total surface area formula, 3 pi r squared. Finally, the volume measures how much space is inside. The volume of a full sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Therefore, the volume of a hemisphere is half of that, resulting in 2/3 pi r cubed. We see hemispheres everywhere. A kitchen bowl is a hollow hemisphere. Large architectural domes are often hemispherical. Even our planet Earth is divided into the northern and southern hemispheres by the equator.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.